911, what's the address of the emergency?
There's a fire on 1250 State Route 50. Come on, please.
1250?
1250 State Route 50.
Is everybody out of the house?
No! We're stuck in the house.
Where are you at inside the house?
Me and my little brother are in the bathroom.
Hey guys, Frank here with Allied Restoration. Once again, I'm here with Joe Torres, an active firefighter in the Los Angeles area and owner of All Risk Shield. 911 calls like the one you just heard sends chills down my spine. As a father and parent of two, I couldn't imagine myself being in a situation where my kids were fighting for their lives calling the 911 inside an active fire. But with a few safety tips, you can then take what could be a disaster and help get your family out safely.
Exactly, Frank. And that all begins with an evacuation plan. Have an evacuation plan in place that you go over on a monthly basis sets everything in motion for the safety of your family. When it comes to evacuation plan, having it mapped out and ready to go is key. If there is an event where there is the fire, you want to check the door first. You want to, if there's smoke coming through the door jambs, seal the door jambs. If you can escape out a window, escape out a window. If not, go through the door and stay low below the smoke, crawling down and out, and meeting at your designated safety zone.
Remember, fire safety is everybody's business, and if you want to keep you and your loved ones in a position where you can get out of a situation like that, then it is your responsibility to make sure everyone has the evacuation plan. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.